So things have been super busy. We're extremely tired, but we have been getting a little bit more work done. We actually did take a little bit of a break and went to Floyd Fest, which was fun and we always enjoy, but it was still tiring and probably made us a little bit more tired than we already were. Um, Willow and I have done some baking and making some things, earrings, candles, different things. So we've gotten some of those things in as well, which is good. Makes us feel a little bit more like our norm. And we've gotten trim on all our windows, blinds, well, not blinds because I'm not a blinds person, but the shades, the cellular shades, to where you can completely see out. We chose no panes for our windows so that we could see and not have any grids, and I don't like blinds because I don't want to look through lines. So we just did cellular shades so that we could have privacy at night and also block light in the early morning hours so that it doesn't disrupt sleep. We got, like I said, we got the trim around the windows. We got the crown molding up everywhere except for our bathroom. And we got a little more quarter round down. We still have some of that to do. Still have a few projects inside. Jason got the eaves of the roof. He got those trimmed out. And so that part's done. The only thing left for the roof are the ice guards. And he's been working on his room out in the garage. So he got the flooring down in there, he got the trim down, he got the trim around the windows, and he got the metal on the wall and his deer heads hung up. So he was pretty pleased with that. So we are making progress. It's a slow go. It's not a whole lot to really put into a video. So that's one reason why we haven't really had anything to post lately, but things are getting done. It's just at a really slower pace. We're here now, and the focus is on doing jobs for Jason to stay caught up and to bring in income as opposed to working on the house throughout the week. So we are trying to do some in the evenings a little bit, some on the weekends, but some weekends we've just had things to do and just haven't been able to get it done. But we're slowly getting there. A few more projects, a few more months, and hopefully we'll get it done. We are a little over a year in to this build, and we will probably have several more months before the build itself is complete. After that, we still have a lot we plan to do around here, so it'll be a lot going on, but at least we are still making progress. Like I said, we're tired, but we're getting some things done.